Welcome to Mastery for Nurses. Are you a registered nurse ready for a new challenge? The world of utilization management, is booming, and there's no better time to make the switch. In this program, we'll equip you with the skills and confidence to thrive in a role. Unlike other programs, we offer exclusive training on real-world software tools like Interqual and MCG guidelines. These industry-standard resources are crucial for success, and you won't find this level of practical training anywhere else. Our Mastery program is designed to make you a pro. Our core offering is a 6 to 12-month apprenticeship, providing hands-on experience to hone your medical review skills and achieve the accuracy and speed employers seek. Build your resume up to attract more interviews. We go beyond skills training. Our program includes expert instructors to guide you, talent development to help you land your dream role, and a supportive community for ongoing feedback and encouragement. Plus, for a limited time, learn how to write effective medical appeals, a valuable skill at no additional cost. Are you a licensed nurse ready to transition from direct patient care? Do you possess a strong clinical foundation and a desire to leverage your expertise in a different healthcare setting? Our program is ideal for nurses who are new to Even if you are uncomfortable with Interqual or MCG guidelines, or perhaps you simply want to improve your review speed and accuracy. Many nurses struggle to qualify for roles. Don't let that be you. Join our priority waitlist and let our experts train and mentor you to achieve your goals. This could be your ticket to a rewarding remote career. Enroll now and secure our best deal ever, 50% off the total program cost. This isn't another course. It's a comprehensive mentorship program designed for your success. Remember, once we train you, imagine when you excel in healthcare organizations save money and deliver better quality care. It's a triple win situation. For exclusive benefits and updates, follow us on social media. Don't miss out on this opportunity to surprise yourself at how good you can become and take your nursing career to the next level. Join our Mastery for Nurses program and become a highly sought-after professional. Visit our website to learn more and secure your spot today. See you next time on our next video, and thanks so much for watching.